God, no, 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 no. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me.
Yes! There we go! First FFC.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union County,
Stupid weather,
north
huh?
central Georgia, northeastern
I had a lot of
Southern
quarters to deal with
County,
it.
and north central Georgia
Come.
until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hut House, or near Ducktown, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Sunglasses and hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morganton,
Oh, for God's
Nickel
sake.
Bluff, Notley Dam, Hearst, Loving, Culberson, and Copperhill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m.
Oh yeah, let me turn this thingy on. So, just want to test real quick.
For the period Wednesday through Monday, a heat advisory is in effect.
Here we go.